Hi guys, this is AJ Fanning with the Sober 88. I will be starting my first YouTube video ever tonight, and it's going to consist of me and one of my buddies who should be here in a bit flushing the transmission. So we're going to start by getting this thing up on some ramps and some jacks. Hey guys, so I forgot to turn the mic on the camera. This is just kind of showing a video montage of what it took to drop the pan, change the filter, and put the fluid back in. Enjoy it.
So did you pick up any words at all?
Okay, so now that you can hear us, I will voice over everything that we've done and kind of talk through what we've already done. We just gotta check the transmission fluid here real quick. Hot? I'm sure. Is it cleaner? What we had on it?
Okay, so we're full.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell to get reminded of future videos. This is my first video, so I'm going to try and upload about once a week, hopefully being released on Sunday nights. I may fall behind every once in a while because I am very new to this. The name behind the car is the Sober 88 Camaro. The reason I picked that name is because I don't run any alcohol in this car. No ethanol or anything else. I only run about a 91 to 93 octane fuel in this car. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's well worth it since it is an older car. Thank you and have a nice day.